Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today we all are having a debate on a very amazing topic which is about practical and assignments should be given to the students or not. So I am totally against of it. So my first point about the assignments. See, it's nothing but too much homework for students. Means let me give you example. A student, he or she has to make notes, he or she has to prepare for annual exam, he or she has to be good student as well, and he or she has to make practical final assignments as well. Means in just 146 days a students how much work they can do. It's nothing but depression. It is a kind of depression for the students which we are getting by the assignments and practicals. Now my second point about the CUET, at least till 12th class assignments and practical should not be given. Why I am saying so? Because now the 12th class mark sheet also worthless. Means for getting admission in the college we have to give CUET exam. Means now we did practicals, we have waste our time, we have waste our money, which was just useless. Why? Because now we have to give entrance exam for getting admission in college.
Done. You know what, sir? I am moving my hand. Okay. And Shaista sisters just moves ahead and back. Ahead and back. She tries to speak so fast. Whatever.
It's
You know
not
what,
natural.
sir? In these all things, just one thing is common, and that is practical. She speaks, that is practical. She moves, that is too much practical. And I am just moving my hand, that is also practical. So in everything, that is practical. Okay? And when in everything there is practical, so why are you weeping to have the practical, sister? Why are you weeping? Tell me. Are you work shy or are you noob? So you are weeping to have the
Please put your
practicals.
points.
I am putting, let me.
Okay, put.
Okay, so today the question is this, that are practicals important or not? Well, in my approach, I honestly believe that practicals and assignments should be given to the students. Not after the 12th class, but from the first class. You know what actually happens when we have the practicals in the 12th class first time, then it's like, yeah, what is gonna happen with us? Like a couple of days ago, I had the practical of physical education, and I was like, भाई 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 क्या होगा? What will they make us do? They are just making us do the yoga. We don't know about the yoga. What is Bhujangasana? Cobra pose? What the hell is this? We all were hesitating there because we have never given the practicals. If we would have been given the practicals from first class, so I don't think so that I would be hesitating in the 12th class. I would be like, okay, practical, let's go give the practical. But when we are given practicals in the 12th class first time, then we feel like, what are they going to do with us in the practicals? In the room, by closing the room, what are they going to do? Nothing. No one knows what is about to happen with us. So I think the practicals should not be after 12th class. I think the practicals should be from first class. That's what I think.
Now, so I want to give reply to my some opponents. First, Chocolatey Boy was saying that we get marks as well. So we get just 5 marks, sir, for practical. As he is saying that for since first class, practical should be given to the students. I don't think so. For just sake of the 5 marks, we have to do this much hard work, and it's depend on the examiner that he will give or not. Oh my God! Which kind of things we have to do according to him since first class, and it's all about the examiner that he will give us 5 marks or not. So brother, it is not like that. Now again, Danish brother, he was saying that because of the practicals and assignment our IQ level increases. Brother, tell me the full form of IQ.
I don't know.
I'm not asking you.
I don't know.
So why are you saying that? When you do not know the full form of IQ level, you do not know the actual meaning of IQ level. So how can you say that because of the practical and assignments you are getting means our IQ level increases? And then writing in notebook, it is a part of practical. Brother, do you have actual knowledge of practical? Means you are saying different thing. You are teammate, he's saying different thing that we are speaking here, it is a practical. You are saying that writing in copies, writing in notebook, it is a practical. What do you want to say here? First, make it one answer. You all have different definition of practicals and assignments. Then, I want to say that, where is Ayan, brother? You said that we increases our knowledge. Means which kind of knowledge are you talking about? Have you become Wikipedia? Means you have everything, every kind of knowledge you have by the practicals and assignment, which you do not know that, but I am writing on that as well. How can you say this kind of things? Then, Shefania, oh sorry, Subhan brother. He said that, Miss Sir, I think whenever he speaks, I think he speaks useless. He said this kind of things which is just, sometimes I may say that misbehavior. Today he used like girls do this kind of things. In last debate he said that art students do like this. Miss brother, you do not have it. I am unable.
You wanted you will make him bold, that's why he went.
Yeah, so he was saying that by the decoration means you will look like that you are a smart in a study. How can you say? Means by just because of the decoration I can be like that I am good at study. Is it not your wedding card? It is a practical and assignment file. Now speak good.
Just scooch down a bit. Yes, thank you. First of all, where is Adil brother? Adil brother. Adil brother, the mathematician.
Oh my god.
The second Ramanujan.
Oh my god.
Brother, you know, actually, 4 million into 8. 4 million into 8. Do you know what is the answer? I know the answer. I'm telling 3 crore, something like this. Brother, when you know the answer, so why are you asking to us? Tell the answer. You know, these all things do not tell to us. We know what happens in the colleges. Okay, so do not come here and do not just do the multiply, plus and minus. Yeah, you were saying that we, listen it. You were saying that we just waste the papers. We just waste the papers. We cut the trees. Thank you, brother. You are the philanthropist. You are gonna just fan for us. You know what, brother? I wanna ask to you that just because of cutting the trees, should we leave the study? Should we leave writing? The page by which you were speaking, that was also paper. Tear that. You may speak.
Okay. Now Shansar is not also here. He was saying that in 12 months we have to do practical. In just 1 month we can cover that. Means in 11th month what do you do? Means sir, as we all have done a debate on the holidays as well, and in that we got to know that we have only 146 days for studying, and for means 146 days we have, and in these we have to make everything. How can it be possible? How?
Sister, first of all, it is possible.
No, it is not possible.
Everything is possible
That's why
if you
I'm
want.
saying.
Listen, everything is possible if you want.
You know, there is a reel which is going on Instagram. If you have seen that there is a group of boys. They sell that practical and file for the means they sell, and then they went in restaurant and they were eating. Means like these kind of things happen, that they do not check, that just store that file and you have to sell that, and you can eat samosa on that for that. Miss, what do you want to say by the practical? Practical is that here we are speaking English. It is practically. So after that, what is the need of the making file on that? Is there necessary to making file
Of course,
for
it is
English?
necessary. Sister, of course, it is necessary.
No, it is not necessary.
That's all.
So now sir, Bashir bhai. Yeah, Bashir bhai. See, Bashir bhai, I totally agree with you that by the practical we can learn anything easily, but it is not happen every time. Means if I am learning history, how it can be possible that I can learn it by practical, as you show us by practically your experiment? Means there